Good morning, everyone. It was a fire last night from the forest. I woke up this morning. It's very dry throat. So last night I'll show you the picture or the video. This is what it looked like. And then the village elder used the speaker microphone to spread the word out for the people to come out and help to stop the fire. Just this morning, literally about 6:30. By then it's a bit too late, I think. And that is the mountain number 2 there that is fired. Apparently it's happened during the daytime as well, and no one do something about it, sadly. Oh, my throat. I found out from the local pages on the Facebook. It said the fire started in the afternoon, and then there was the picture and video as well. People spreading the wood and trying to find out what causing it. But I don't think anyone that come out to sort it out. So the fire keep going and going from the other side of the mountain and appearing this side. We don't know how the fire is starting. It was very hot yesterday, hot and dry. That could be the reason, or I might be wrong. Unfortunately, we have to sit and wait, see what others are doing, so we'll keep you posted. That's it for now for the quick updating from our farm. See you again in the next episode. Bye! Please take care, everyone.